Welcome to the GURPS protocol. Magic is the spice of all campaigns, and GURPS doesn't skip out in this department. To start, your GM has to set some rules about how they like to do magic and mana in their world, but that is something, if you're interested, I recommend reading the base set at page 235. Before you start your wizard training, you need to take the advantage of Magery. You start at Magery 0, but you could buy more levels of it, or train to become a better mage later. After that point, you need to buy spells. Good part is, they follow the same thing as skills. Spend a single point, get the spell. They follow IQ hard or IQ very hard, so your IQ helps you pass your spells. Some GMs may allow you to use different attributes other than IQ if it fits your build. For example, a bard would be better fit for dexterity. GM may limit what spells you could get to balance that off. Most spells in GURPS do have prerequisites, meaning if you want to cast Breathe Water, you need both Create Air and Destroy Water, which needs a bunch of other spells like Purify Air, Create Water, and Purify Water. So as you can see, GURPS use kind of a tech tree when it comes to spells. You have to plan it out. Do you want to learn a lot of spells for the cheap, or do you want to be good at one spell and hold off learning more later? As for casting spells, you spend fatigue points, FP, which is related to your health attribute. Now, one great mechanic GURPS has about magic is if you run out of FP, you are free to spend your hit points to cast a spell. This is great for a wizard's final blow and gives a bit of risk and reward to your magic. Unlike D20 systems, there is no class spell level. All you need is high enough magery and the points to spend them. If there's a spell that you want that isn't on the list, there is rules on how to make your own spells. Of course, ask your GM for more information. So that's about it. Oh, fun side note. Magical staves in GURPS are quite fun. They act as like a long hand to reach targets of touch spells, or to reduce range penalty, as well as carrying a melee spell to protect you. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching.